Back in 2015, Bose released a set of wired earbuds called the SoundTrue Ultra earbuds that were among our favorite sounding Bose products. They were discontinued a few years ago, but Bose brought back the Ultra name for its new flagship QuietComfort Ultra earbuds and QuietComfort Ultra headphones. At $429, the latter are Bose's most expensive headphones to date. Not surprisingly, they're very good. But are they better than Sony WH-1000XM5, Apple's AirPods Max, and some other premium noise-canceling headphones in this price range? Let's get right into this review so we can try to answer that for you. QC Ultra headphones design is totally new. It's sort of a cross between the Bose's previous flagship model, the noise-canceling headphone 700, and the QuietComfort 45s, which have morphed into a new $350 model that Bose has simply named the QuietComfort headphones. The headphone 700 had some metal parts, but the QC Ultra headphones incorporate an aluminum yoke and arms that slide into the headband. Another upgrade is their dual hinge design, so they are both folding up and folding flat, which allows them to have a smaller carrying case than the headphone 700 and the Sony WH-1000XM5s, both of which only fold flat. Just be careful not to get your finger caught in the Ultra's hinge, which I did a couple of times and got an unpleasant pinch. The headphones feel durable and are surprisingly lightweight at 254 grams, just a couple more grams than the headphone 700. The Sony WH-1000XM5 weighed 249 grams, while the much heavier AirPods Max tipped the scales at 385 grams. Bose's reps revealed that the QC Ultras are designed to fit a wider range of head types, and like other Bose headphones, they're quite comfortable to wear. They did clamp slightly more than the Sonys, but I was able to wear them for a couple of hours straight without a problem. Like other over-ear headphones, they will steam up your ears if you wear them around in warm environments. It's also worth mentioning that the black version of the headphones can end up showing some smudges if you have any grime on your hands or just have oily skin. The white smoke version doesn't. I like their controls. The QC Ultra headphones feature a mix of physical control buttons along with a raised capacitive touch volume strip on the right ear cup that's easy to reach and use by feel alone. The main multifunction button on the headphones allows you to pause and play your audio with a single tap, skip tracks forward with a double tap, and skip them back with a triple tap. Holding the button down lets you toggle through full noise cancelling, an awareness mode, and an immersion mode that activates full noise cancelling along with Bose's new spatial audio feature with head tracking that it calls immersive audio. There's also a touch and hold gesture from the volume strip that's customizable as a shortcut. You can choose to map it to one of 4 functions: hear battery level, change immersive audio, cycle through still, motion, and off settings, access your voice assistant, and resume Spotify. While Bose mentions that both this over-ear Ultra model and its new QC Ultra earbuds feature world-class noise cancellation, and they certainly do, the real feature it's hyping this go-round is immersive audio, its custom version of spatial audio. Bose says immersive audio goes beyond special effects and creates a wider, more spacious soundstage, so your content becomes multidimensional and layered, regardless of the audio platform or device. Like other headphones that feature spatial audio, Apple's latest AirPods for instance, the QC Ultra headphones and the QC Ultra earbuds have 2 spatial audio modes, one still mode without head tracking engaged, and a motion mode that uses head tracking and allows the audio to move with you, so it's always in front of you. Bose says it works with movies and any stereo track, but it's really designed for music listening. Using the immersive audio feature does widen the soundstage, creating the illusion that your audio is more outside your head. It works better with some tracks than others, but it does open the sound a bit, giving it an airier quality. Most people will probably choose to mostly leave it on, but the downside is that engaging it does impact battery life significantly. The headphones are rated for up to 24 hours of battery life at moderate volumes levels with noise cancelling on, but the number dips to 18 hours with immersive audio engaged. The aware mode is equivalent to Apple's transparency mode, and it sounds quite natural with almost no audible hiss. There's also a new active sense feature that kicks in some ANC should the sound get too loud around you. A horn blast, for instance, or a construction worker's jackhammer. That's similar to the AirPods Pro 2's adaptive audio feature that isn't available for the AirPods Max because it requires Apple H2 chip, which isn't present in that model. As we said, Holding down the multifunction button allows you to toggle through 3 sound modes. Thanks to wear sensors in the ear cups, when you take the headphones off your ears, your audio will pause and resume playback when you put them back on. Beyond that, if you set your headphones down somewhere and forget to turn them off, they'll go into sleep mode to conserve battery life. While the QC Ultra earbuds still lack multi-point Bluetooth pairing, Bose is still working on adding that feature, which allows you to connect to 2 devices simultaneously and switch audio between them. Both the Ultra models are LE audio ready, which means they can be upgraded via a firmware update to include LE audio features such as Auracast that would allow you to tune into audio broadcasts over Bluetooth, say from a TV at your gym for music while you're working out. LE Audio Standard also includes support for the LC3 audio codec.